All right, so one thing that I noticed that some business owners do is that they will try to exclude or delete some of the transactions that they have for their personal expenses when they're using business credit cards or business equity. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you record it properly so all of your bank transactions to be reconciled. You don't want to have missing bank transactions or have missing money or something like that. It can kind of bite you in the ass later. So I'm going to show you how to record those properly real quick. So first off, you want to go to your accounting page and go to your bank transactions. And through your bank transactions, you want to go down to the transaction that you spent personally. So let's say Pam Sites, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Let's say Pam was actually you buying some food for your kids or something like that. So we're actually going to go to the matches. We're going to get rid of the matches and we're going to just categorize them on our own here. So instead of making this an expense, we're going to make this a check or a transfer. Either one will do. Well, we're going to do a check since it's just coming straight out of the account. It wasn't actually a transfer. You use the bank account, so we're going to use the bank account. So instead of putting Pam, the person you bought it from, we're actually going to put the owner. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down here. And we're going to say that the owner is Emily Platt. So we're going to do that there. We're going to go over to our category and we're going to make a new category if we don't have one already called owners, draws, and expenses. And it does not look like we have one. Only thing we have for equity is the opening balance and retained earnings. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and create a new account for that. And it's going to be called owners, draws. And we're going to make this an equity account. And the details, personal expense, whether you're being paid or whether you're paying yourself or you're just buying something random for yourself. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the bottom and save it. And once we saved it, everything will show up here. We have a check written to the owner, Emily Platt, and it's going to be categorized under the account of owner's draw and personal expenses. And once you get done doing that, you go ahead and post it, and then we can double check our work, see how it's already gone. Transaction has been posted. All right, so we're going to double check our work. We're going to go to our chart of accounts. Here we go. Owner's draw and personal expenses. We're going to go ahead and view that register. And then you'll see that the money that you use to pay for whatever this is going to be under your chart of accounts. So you don't have missing money throughout your reconciliation process. That's pretty much all I got for you. Make sure you're reconciling your accounts properly. Thanks for watching and have a good one.